everybody, welcome to Excel video 457. I'm Nate Moore. I'm getting on a plane in the morning to fly to New Jersey to speak to my friends at New Jersey MGMA. 4-hour pre-conference on custom reports and pivot tables and all that good stuff. If I haven't spoken to your organization lately, I'd love to. What I want to do today is pick up where we left off. If you watched Excel video 456, we played a bit with chart styles. And from chart styles, there were a bunch of different things you could do. Some pretty wholesale changes you could make to your chart, if you would. And notice how things change as I hover, and you can say what this might look like or whatever. Once you're close, if you will, another way to tweak the style just a bit, once you've changed the style here, is to say, okay, I've got the chart here. I'm going to go over to the Design menu under Chart Tools. And remember, I was playing up here, just like these, right? These chart styles here are here. But the other thing you can do is you can change the layout with this Quick Layout button. So I'm going to make major changes. I'm going to get close with chart styles, either here or here. And then I'm going to go to Quick Layout. And what Quick Layout will do is it will say, okay, now I can do this, or I can put numbers above it, or I'm just going to do a line like that. I'm going to make this look differently. I can put numbers here or there. I can put data on my chart, or maybe not. Notice how I can tweak within my chart. And if I come over here and say, no, I want to, this is my overall style, Quick Layout will work around the style that I chose and give me some more options. So style gives me my initial overall view, if you will, and then I can tweak the layout a bit with this Quick Layout. That might move a legend around or a data table or something like that. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you is Quick Layout. Second thing I wanted to show you is, okay, now that I have chart style, and let's say I've got the style right and the layout right, I can always play with the color. So again, if I start from scratch, I click on the chart and come over here to this little paintbrush. Instead of style, I can go to color. And what this is going to do is it will let me do multiple colors. And it might be easier to see if I do it with this chart. So let's delete this. Third time's a charm. There it goes. Let's do this so that you can see multiple styles. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiple colors within the style. Maybe I'll say it that way. Notice how this is the style that's chosen, and I'm getting kind of the blue and the orange. If I hover, notice how I get different styles here within what Excel is calling colorful. Then I can go monochromatic if I want to, especially if I'm going to go black and white. Some of this may help me if that's the way I end up having to print it. I've got all kinds of color choices. Notice here I'm going from dark to light. I can go from light to dark. And then Excel says, how do I change these colors? If you've got a color that's close and it's not quite right, or if it's not even close, you want to make wholesale changes, from color, what you can do is you can say, no, I want to change the entire theme of the page. So if I go to the Page Layout tab and Themes, now what's going to happen is I'm going to get an entirely different theme. A theme is going to involve several things. Notice the font may move on me. Certainly the colors are going to move. And I could pick an entirely different theme. And if I did that, then these color options all change based on the theme of the spreadsheet in the Page Layout tab. And there are more themes available if you look online. So, 3 things in this Excel video. Choose the style. Get it close to what you want. Once you've got the style the way you want it, from the Chart Tools Design tab, Quick Layout will allow you to make some tweaks within that style. And then you can do colors here, which is the same as colors here. Notice colorful and monochromatic, colorful, monochromatic. Just depends on where you're looking for it. If you want to see it from this icon, style and color, I'm getting more and more used to these icons here as opposed to going here, just because there's so much power in these tools, especially where we're going next time. But either way, style and color and Quick Layout is what I wanted to show you in this Excel video. Stay tuned next time. I think the real power of all of these buttons, we've saved the best for last. It's in this filter. I'll show you what I'm talking about in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.